Hello, my classy people. We're wearing a dapper shirt today, and we're gonna make some food! Now, here in America, fuck yeah! We have impeccable taste in cuisine, if I might say so myself. Isn't that right, Puka? Puka, we have great taste in stuff. We have great taste. Okay. So you know what that means? Baked beans! With a touch of honey. Now to get started on your baked bean escapades, we gotta get our baked bean can, and we gotta get a handy dandy can opener. And we just pop it on like that, and let the magic happen. It went into my can. Once you've fished out your coronavirus infused can lid, throw that bitch in the garbage, and grab yourself some hot dogs. Now, it wouldn't be an American hot dog festival unless we had some cheese-infused Oscar Mayer fake meat dogs. We're eating dogs, Puka! Next, select a pan from your horribly disorganized pan drawer because everybody's got that one under-the-counter shelf full of pots and pans that is completely disorganized. Next, we're going to set our pan on the stove, dump in the beans. Still beans in there. Light your stove on fire. Grab your crappy wooden spoon. That's plastic. Grab your crappy plastic spoon and just... Come on, get in on this action. Now, because we like flavor in this household, we're not just gonna stand for tasteless regular beans. Nah. Ain't about that. Get yourself a spice drawer with actual spices. Where the fuck is my onion powder? Onion powder is the flavor of the gods. Now, I'm gonna tell you, doesn't get much better than this. Come, what are you doing? So we're just gonna add some oniony flavor in there. Beautiful. That's beautiful. Gives it that little extra good. Once all that shit's done, we can start cutting up the hot dogs. Now let's see. Open your pack of hot dogs. My beans are burning. Open your thing of hot dogs and open those. Put some of these on a plate. All right. Stop burning. So now we're gonna cut up our hot dogs into nice little... Camera doesn't reach that far down, so we're just gonna pretend like you can see me luxuriously cutting these hot dogs into little bitty tiny pieces. Once you've got little hot dog things, make sure to sploosh them into your beans. Just to sploosh them. And cut up the other hot dog. I'm in danger. Hear that, fingers? You're in danger. If you're really feeling fancy, you can cut up 2 hot dogs at once. Just grab those wieners and just start cutting. Cut! Well, that hot dog wants to go to Satan's doorstep. Splooch! Alright. Now we're ready to mix in our hot dogs. Look at all them dogs. Look at all them dogs, Puka! Then we just have to burn the shit out of it. While we're waiting, how about we look into getting some demonetization? Alexa! Play some Spotify!
Here is Spotify.
When the night...
Alright, that's enough dancing. Time for cooking. Hi, babies. Aw, you're so fat. And my beans are burning again. Great! Extra special pro tip. If you don't want to burn your beans, don't turn the stove all the way up. Now, once your beans have successfully cooked, throw away all sharp utensils. Grab yourself a green bowl. If you don't have a green bowl, you don't get to eat. That's gonna drip all over my stove. Once you're finished, and you put it in your green bowl, because I know you have a green bowl somewhere. First, you gotta have a taste test before we can say this is a successful cooking video. Tastes like Merican.
Fuck yeah!
Tastes like freedom, Pookas! Well, I hope that's taught y'all a thing today about good old down-home American cooking. Also called poor people cooking. If you've liked this video and would like more down-home, I just spit everywhere. If you like this video and want to make some hot dogs for yourself, give this video a big thumbs up because I wasted an entire half hour doing this. And if you didn't like this video, at least give it a pity like for my dog, who likewise does not like me. Look at him. He's miserable. He's like, Nash, you fucking suck. Why? I love you. Okay, I'll see y'all later.